Okay guys, may story ako na parang dito sa bahay namin. Alam niyo guys, sa bahay namin, okay, English share ako kung nagsustory. You know guys, I'm just staring at my door, then suddenly, they knock super really heavy. My mother sleeps and dad. And suddenly, he knocked before. I was scared, I was afraid, and I wake up my mother. He didn't ask me. She said, "Why? Are you pooping? Go poop." I'm not pooping. I'm scared. I'm scared of the door. Then suddenly, the door was no knocked, and I go out for check, and suddenly my back pushed me out the door and closed about, and I suddenly see a black person, but I see my body, it's black, and suddenly I know it is. Then I'm invisible. I'm dead. And suddenly, my mother pushed me because he said, "Get away, monster! Why did you kill my daughter?" Sorry, And I say, "No, I'm your daughter." He said, "No, you are." Then suddenly, I know this. Suddenly, the monster was afraid of me. I'm afraid, not her. And suddenly, I regret it. And suddenly, strange knock again our door. And I suddenly see a black person smoking. Like a smoking. The smoke is red. And I suddenly fly up to the sky, and I cannot fly. I only fly 1 meter about flying. When I suddenly notice I'm having not wings, and I just jump. Do you want to see part 2? Then check the part 2.